Let's see what's in there. Yeah, you open it?
That's from Cheryl and Susan, Oliver and Kennedy.
Wow. Look,
Whoa.
someone made you something. Someone colored you a fire truck.
Yeah.
Fire truck. And look at this.
Thomas the Train.
Thomas the Train.
Wow.
Two. How many are there? 1, 2. 2. Yeah, how's the train go? Choo choo. Yeah.
Good. I see some coffee and Taco Bell stuff in there.
Refried beans.
Oh, sweet.
Nice.
Good choice.
Nice. Oh, look, Ellie. Flashcards.
Whoa.
When you answer the phone, what do you say?
No.
Oh, you already know these.
Right.
What?
What is that?
Coffee. More coffee.
Wow.
More coffee.
Whoa.
Nice.
Nice. What is that? Band-Aids.
Band-Aids. Wow. Ooh, maybe we should keep that one closed. Yay.
Hey, a book. The Whole Brain Child.
Oh, whoopee cushion.
Woo, we're gonna have fun with that.
Look, Emily, a book.
Bubble.
Nice.
Oh.
Wow. Taco shells.
Nice taco shells.
Oregano. Yum. Taco seasoning.
She gonna open that Band-Aid thing?
That's right.
Okay.
Cumin.
Oh,
Nice.
sweet.
Smells yummy. Can you smell it?
Mm.
What else is in here, Ellie? Soup mix.
Oh,
Yum.
nice.
Oh, look, Ellie. Good night, Moon.
Yeah, that one's bigger than the other one you had, isn't it?
Books. Look at all these books. Salsa?
I believe it is.
Wow, nice.
It looks like it might have leaked a little bit. Most of it's in there.
Yeah, and green chilies and jalapenos.
All right.
Thanks, guys. Ellie, can you say thank you? Are you so happy?
Uh-oh.
Oh, yay.
You gonna put those away for us?
Okay, thanks. Oh, you want me to take them? You want to look at your book? What book is that? What's on there? What is that? It's a book, yeah. And what's that?
Fire.
Fire?
He's ready to read it, man.
Yeah, it's a fire.
You
Oh, I'll
might
take that one.
take that one, yeah.
Thank you.
What is that, Ellie?
It's food.
Is
That's
that green
right.
chilies?
Yeah, green chilies and jalapenos. You want to hold this one too?
Great.
Okay, I'm going to move this box. Yeah.
Is that thing frozen?
I think it was frozen.
Oh, wow.
It's partially.
Thank you. Great box of goodies. Love you guys. Thanks so
Love
much
y'all.
for sending it. Lots of goodies. Can you say bye, Ellie?
Bye.
You want some coffee? Daddy does too. Yeah.
Choo-choo.
All right.
Choo-choo.
You want to say bye, darling?
Bye.